Hi, I'm Barbara Coward, and welcome to another edition of MBA Admissions Tips from my kitchen. You might be wondering, what does applying to business school have to do with being in a kitchen? Well, let me explain. Last Thursday night, I was sitting right here eating dinner when I jumped off the chair, as I do thousands of times before. Apparently was wearing very slippery socks because I went straight down and injured my thigh. And since then, it's been incredibly painful. I went to the doctor finally yesterday, who took an x-ray and said it wasn't broken, and gave me some ibuprofen. But it really was something that helped me empathize with people who have mobility issues. Case in point, my dad lived to the age of 98. He was from New York City. He was a fast talker, fast walker, and later in life, he slowed down so much due to mobility. So getting in and out of the car, going to the grocery store. I'm a go, go, go kind of gal. And I got frustrated because I just wanted to go in the store and out and then go back to what I was doing. But he had to take his time. So I actually felt these past couple days, oh my gosh, I understood what it was like to take out the dishwasher, take the dishes out of the dishwasher and have that be a really slow and painful process. Do the laundry, same thing, bending over. Just every kind of experience that I have, it made me appreciate a different life experience, something that I haven't had before. I didn't play sports, right? So I don't have the experience of sports injuries. So I'm going to tie this back to the applying to business school. And what schools are doing is they're building a cohort of people with different life experiences so you can be a better leader. It's hard to lead people if you've only had one life experience and you can't understand where other people are coming from. So I'm not advocating everyone to go through the same thing and, like I did. I don't want anyone to have that pain. But I kind of feel like it has made me a better leader. If I were working people, if somebody had mobility issues, I'd be a lot more patient than I was before because I know what it's like. And so what they're doing is trying to bring people into the classroom who've had those different life experiences so you can learn from them without having to go through it yourself. And that ultimately is going to make you a better leader, better at empathizing, better at understanding. And that's what I want you to think when you are applying to business school. What do you have through your life experience that will help you teach others in the classroom so they can be better leaders? Thanks so much, and I will see you next time as I slowly get off the chair this time. Thanks. Bye-bye.